linked list. And this is a placement part of wave. This is a very important question. So previous class also I explained about the queue, a dynamic linking queues. So that concept and dynamic linking stacks and this linked list. These are the three major data structures that were repeatedly they are going to ask for any of the companies, whatever maybe the company you go. So maybe a Microsoft or a Google or any Infosys or any related IT related companies. First and the foremost questions they will ask on these data structures. Mainly they will concentrate on these data structures. Since the programming complete concept, you might say that sir Java advanced and all is there. But a basic part without a basic ABCD can't frame any sentences, right? So the same way, this is like a basic introduction part for a computer science background students. Okay. So first and the foremost, I made it like a question pattern type so that it will be easy for you to understand. Immediately after the class, I will share it. This is a handwritten material, as I think you people know, as you received like a for a C programming, I think you have received my material. Same way you will be receiving my materials parallelly once the class is over. Any of the material is left out, please remind it me. I will attach it there. Okay. So thank you. So what do you mean by this linked list? What do you mean by this linked list? A simple definition here you can see. A simple definition. Linked list is a dynamic data structure. Linked list is a dynamic data structure where consisting of group of data elements, a dynamic data structure which consists of a group of data elements where represented by two fields. Earlier, a general data is represented with the indexing of an array in the stacks, queues, and so on, right? Here, in this linked list, whatever the list what we are having here, a linked list which contains two fields. So, what are those two fields? First and the foremost field information, and second one called link field. What do you mean by that information and link field? Consider this is as a first node that what we have here. Consider a first node we have. So link. So this contains data, data, and a second part that what we have here is called link. So what the link will contain? So sometimes the data is also called as info field. So sometimes a data is also called an information field. Sometimes the data is called an information field. Okay. So some books they write it as data. In some books they write it as info. So both remains same. So what the link will contain? So this we call it as one single node. So that complete part what we have call it as one single node. So this we call it as a single node. One complete node. node which contains both data and link. What the data will contain? It contains the item to be stored in a particular node. Item is nothing but some value. The value will be stored in the data field, whereas the link field which contains the address of a next node, address of next node what which is created. A main concept in the linked list is creation of nodes. So individually each node contains one node contains a data field as well as the link field. So the data field contains a value, that is a particular value stored in the node, whereas a link field contains address of a next field created. Next field is nothing but a next node, that what we are creating, address of that node is contained in the link field of the previous node. Okay, this is about a basic simple part of a linked list. So if this part, if it is cleared, then I will go with how it represents in a network. So is this part a basic simple part of a linked list is cleared? Yes. So then we'll go with the main part there. Okay. So what it contains? So generally, linked list is categorized into four categories. So that four categories you can see here. First one is a singly linked list, doubly linked list. That what I explained now, a simple concept is a singly linked list. Second one is doubly linked list. Third one is circular singly linked list. Fourth one, circular doubly linked list. So if you are familiar with this concept, if you are familiar with this node concept, the further concepts are very easy. Okay. So here, a single linked list, what it contains. What the singly linked list will contain. You can see here a single linked list a single linked list is a list where link field has single pointer and it always points to the next node created. So you can see the list created here. This is the first node we call it as, and this is the first link we call it as a first node and the first link. Normally, this is a data field, this is a link field. So address of next node is contained in the first node link. So this is node 2. Address of node 3 will be stored in node 2. Similarly, address of node 4, N4, address of a node 4 is stored in a node 3. What about this last node? The question arises, what happened to the last node? Always in the single linked list, last node will be made it as null. So you can see that a link field of the last node is null. Here only I have written that concept. Can see that link list of last node is always null. So you can see this concept here. So that is about a single linked list. Each and every concept what I have given here briefly. So every concept will have a program with how the nodes are created. If the pointer concept is familiar for you people, this is a very easiest concept to score easy marks in the examination also. Two full questions will be there on the linked list concept in the module number 3. So thoroughly once you listen to the classes, it is more than sufficient to write it easily the linked list programs. Okay, so we'll go with the next simple, that is doubly linked list. First I will explain all the representations, then I will go in for the coding part of this. Okay, so doubly linked list. What this doubly linked list will contain? What this list will contain? Any of a linked list will contain what? Any linked list which contains what? Just now I explained. A linked list contains what? Link and info. So this side section, no reply. A normal linked list contains what? Node. Inside the node, data field and link. Link and the data field are the two concepts that is there for a node. An individual node is called as a linked list connectivity, what we have here. Okay, so a first doubly linked list is also called as DLL. In the examination point, they will mention it as DLL. DLL is nothing but doubly linked list, not the dynamic link libraries. Make sure that in the data structure concepts, if they mention it as a DLL, that is nothing but doubly linked list. That is not dynamic link library of your operating system. So majority of students will get confused over there and they will write a story about that dynamic link libraries in the examination point of view. Make sure that in this subject, data structure subjects, SLL, single linked list, DLL, doubly linked list, a short forms they will use to confuse the students while writing the examinations in the question paper. Normally it happens, but the concepts will be same. Okay, it is a type of a linked list having following three fields. What are the three fields? Previous node, whatever the node what we have in the previous case, having only two fields. That is a data field and a node field. That is a node link field. Node data and node link. Here, what we have, here three fields are there: left pointer, right pointer. Since we have, so consider a simple DLL, a simple DLL, right link, left link. Similarly, right link, left link. So this is nothing but data. So this is R link, this is L link of a node. R link, L link of a node. A simple DLL representation. A simple DLL representation. So nothing but a data is also called as info field. Data is also called a info field, right? So this complete part, what we call it as in DLL, this complete part is called it as node. This complete part we call it as one single node. Okay, so what this left pointer contains, what the right pointer contains. Now it's a question arised. So this has a right pointer, this is a left pointer, right? So this is nothing but a info. So any general idea, students? What the R pointer will contain and what the L pointer will contain? Just give a brief description what it contains. Just now I told how the DLL work, right, with left node and the right node. So just see the diagram over there, a doubly linked list with flow of nodes. So for a node 20, there is a node 20. data 20 is present in the node 2, what the right link will contain, what the left link will contain. What are the addresses? R address contains, I have described it there. You can see the board and you can tell. So in the board only I have described a brief pointers. Thus I want to make you people attentive and listen to the class. So L pointer contains a previous node data. R pointer will contains the next node. R pointer contains next node. L pointer will contains the previous node. Yes, correct. Majority of students answered correctly. Thank you. Good. So this is about and doubly linked list, a brief description. So a left pointer points to the previous node of the left pointer link points to the previous node of the data. Right pointer points to the next node. Okay.